Hello friends, in the chapter halogen derivatives, in last lecture we started with the chemical properties of haloalkanes, and into that we studied substitution reactions as well as elimination reaction of haloalkanes. Now in this lecture we are going to study the reaction with active metals. Haloalkanes undergo reactions with the active metals such as magnesium, sodium to form very important compounds and also reactive compounds. First we shall study the reaction with magnesium. Magnesium metal reacts with alkyl halide in presence of dry ether to form the alkyl magnesium halide, which is also called as Grignard's reagent. Grignard's reagent, it was discovered by the scientist Victor Grignard, and therefore after his name it is called as Grignard's reagent. It is RMgX, alkyl group, R group from alkyl halide, then magnesium, which is used as the active metal, and halogen from alkyl halide. So these three groups are combined and to form alkyl magnesium halide, which is called as Grignard's reagent. Grignard's reagents are very reactive compounds. They react readily with many organic compounds. They react with the compounds particularly containing hydrogen attached to electronegative element such as water H2O, in which hydrogen atoms are attached to oxygen, then methyl alcohol where this hydrogen atom is attached to oxygen atom, and ammonia where three hydrogen atoms are attached to electronegative atom, that is nitrogen. So with these compounds, the Grignard's reagent, they react very readily. For example, RMgX, any Grignard's reagent, alkyl group here it may be methyl, ethyl, isopropyl, N-propyl, or any alkyl group. Magnesium halide, here halogen may be fluorine, chlorine, bromine, or iodine, plus methyl alcohol CH3OH in presence of dry ether. Dry ether is used to avoid the explosive or violent reactions. We get RH. Here RH is hydrocarbon. It may be alkane, alkene, or alkyne depending upon the R group which is present in the Grignard's reagent. So RH, particularly it is alkane. So RH plus MgXOCH3. This is the side product where the halogen atom is attached to magnesium and also methoxy group is attached to magnesium. Then second example is again RMgX, any Grignard's reagent, plus ammonia NH3. Ammonia, we get RH, hydrocarbon alkane as the product. Hydrogen atom from ammonia is attached to this R group. RMg bond is broken, that is carbon magnesium bond, and we get RH hydrocarbon plus MgXNH2. Halogen from alkyl halide is attached to magnesium and also NH2 group from ammonia attached to magnesium. This is magnesium halide amine. Such type of compound is formed here. Halogen and amino group are attached to magnesium metal in this reaction. So in this way, Grignard's reagent are very reactive compounds which are formed by the reaction of magnesium metal with alkyl halide in presence of dry ether. The next reaction of alkyl halides with active metals is Wurtz reaction. Wurtz reaction is reaction between alkyl halide molecules and sodium metal. It is the reaction between an alkyl halide and metallic sodium, that is sodium metal, in dry ether as the solvent to form higher alkane. Higher alkane म्हणजे अल्किल हलाइड पेक्षा जास्त कार्बन असणारा अल्केन, आणि जास्त म्हणजे या ठिकाणी डबल नंबर ऑफ कार्बन ॲटम्स असणारा अल्केन तयार होतो. सो रिएक्शन बिटवीन an alkyl halide and metallic sodium in dry ether, in presence of dry ether, to form higher alkane having double number of carbon atoms as present in alkyl halide. alkyl halide मध्ये जेवढे कार्बन ॲटम असतील त्याच्या डबल नंबर ऑफ कार्बन ॲटम असणारा अल्केन या रिएक्शन मध्ये आपल्याला मिळतो. हे या रिएक्शनचं वैशिष्ट्य आहे. इट इज द पेक्युलॅरिटी ऑफ दिस वुड्स रिएक्शन. जनरल रिएक्शन in this case is twice of Rx, 2 molecules of alkyl halide plus 2 sodium atoms in presence of dry ether. We get the product RR. It is alkane. R म्हणजे दोन अल्किल ग्रुप एकाला एक अटॅच झालेले. We get alkane. For example, CH3CH3 इथेन या ठिकाणी आपल्याला मिळतो. Plus twice of NaX, sodium halide, 2 molecules. It may be sodium chloride, sodium bromide or sodium iodide. Example, twice of C2H5Br, ब्रोमोइथेनचे 2 मॉलिक्यूल किंवा इथिल ब्रोमाइडचे 2 मॉलिक्यूल प्लस 2 sodium atoms in presence of dry ether. We get butane as the product. तर ब्युटेन मध्ये 4 कार्बन कुठून आले? 2 मॉलिक्यूल मधले 2 कार्बन, एका मॉलिक्यूल मध्ये 2 कार्बन ब्रोमोइथेनच्या आणि दुसऱ्या मॉलिक्यूल मधले 2 कार्बन. We get CH3CH2, CH2CH3, butane as the product, and this product is with double number of carbon atoms than the alkyl halide. इथं अल्किल हालाइड मध्ये 2 कार्बन आहेत एका मॉलिक्यूल मध्ये, अल्केन मध्ये 4 कार्बन आहेत एका मॉलिक्यूल मध्ये, प्लस ट्वाइस ऑफ NaBr, सोडियम ब्रोमाइड as the side product. Now if a mixture of two different alkyl halides is used, म्हणजे आपण वरच्या एक्झाम्पल मध्ये दोन्ही अल्किल हलाइड चे मॉलिक्यूल सेम होते, परंतु जर मिक्सचर घेतलं तुम्ही वेगवेगळ्या अल्किल हलाइड्सचं, वी गेट मिक्सचर ऑफ ऑल द 3 पॉसिबल अल्केन्स. म्हणजे 3 अल्केन्स वेगवेगळे तयार होण्याची शक्यता या ठिकाणी असते आणि ते तिन्ही अल्केन्स या ठिकाणी तयार होतात प्रॉडक्ट मध्ये. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, ब्रोमोमिथेन CH3Br or methyl bromide plus bromoethane CH3CH2Br, or it is also called as ethyl bromide. So one molecule of bromomethane and another molecule of bromoethane react with 6 atoms of sodium atom. Here sodium 6 atoms in presence of dry ether. We get mixture of these 3 products, ethane, butane and propane. आता हे products कसे तयार होतात? तर पहिला जो प्रॉडक्ट आहे इथेन, तो ब्रोमोमिथेनच्या सेल्फ रिएक्शनने तयार होतो. म्हणजे ब्रोमोमिथेनचे 2 मॉलिक्यूल आपसात रिएक्ट होतात, म्हणजे सेल्फ रिएक्शन होते या ठिकाणी, आणि CH3 एका मॉलिक्यूल मधला दुसऱ्या मॉलिक्यूल मधला CH3 असा इथेन तयार होतो. CH3CH3 प्लस ट्वाइस ऑफ NaBr, या ठिकाणी 2 सोडियमचे ॲटम आणि ब्रोमोमिथेन मधले 2 ॲटम, असं ट्वाइस ऑफ NaBr साइड प्रॉडक्ट तयार होतो. प्लस ब्युटेन कुठून आला? तर ब्रोमोइथेनची सेल्फ रिएक्शन, सेल्फ वुड्स रिएक्शन होते या ठिकाणी. CH3CH2 फ्रॉम वन मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ ब्रोमोइथेन and this CH3CH2 from another molecule of bromoethane. So we get butane alkene with 4 carbon atoms from the self Woods reaction of bromoethane plus twice of NaBr as the side product. Third product is propane. आता प्रोपेन कुठून आला? Here cross Woods reaction takes place. म्हणजे क्रॉस म्हणजे काय? 2 वेगवेगळ्या अल्किल हलाइडच्या मॉलिक्यूल मध्ये, म्हणजे ब्रोमोमिथेन मधला मिथिल ग्रुप आणि ब्रोमोइथेन मधला इथिल ग्रुप CH3CH2. So CH3CH2CH3 we get propane plus twice of NaBr. So in this way we get mixture of 3 possible products in the Woods reaction if the 2 different alkyl halides are used. Actually in this mixture the products with self Woods reaction are major products. So here ethane and butane will be major products and propane will be minor product. So product with crossed Woods reaction is always minor product in this reaction. So in this way, alkyl halides react with different active metals such as magnesium and sodium. Thank you. Thank you very much.